Yo boys, heading to a car meet right now with the boys, the whole squad. We're gonna see what's up. We are a little late to it. Not a little bit, we're actually quite late to it. We're going to see what's popping there. Might get a few clips in. So we'll check out some sick cars if there is any. Hopefully there is, but we got Dre up in front of me. We got Ivan right behind me. Let's see how this meet is.
He does have a horn.
Giving you guys that fresh POV from that Blue Balls Mark 7. Let's get to this fucking meet before everyone fucking leaves.
let off the gas though. Redlining.
Welcome to Scrubs.
What's good? Jose behind the camera.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Jose Production, baby. We got some slow ass cues here. You gotta blow up and shit. Obviously you saw it, but like they were coming out.
That shit, Scrubs Media.
Scrubs Media.
Sorry, bro. We'll beat any part.
Tell him, bro. Tell him.
Scrubs Media. Buy the stickers. You buy the stickers, you put them on the car, you cap this shit like Jose did a few weeks ago.
50 horsepower on that. You don't even gotta do internals.
Video
no
soon.
internals needed. No full bolt-ons.
Video soon.
No turb. Nothing.
Video soon.
Buy a sticker. $2, $5. You made 50 more horsepower. You got your roommate.
Right there. She's coming for everyone.
Every Wednesday.
Tell him, Ivan.
Wednesday and Sunday.
First 10,000
Video
stickers sold.
Wednesday, Thursday, Sunday. Get your stickers now.
First 10, Frank. First 10. Frank.
Every sticker's an entry to get the GR.
Yeah.
Sell 10,
Or the Jetta. Or the Jetta.
sell 10,000 stickers. I'll do a giveaway.
We could do the Jetta. Imagine we do a Jetta.
You sell 10,000 stickers.
Jetta giveaway.
Jetta giveaway.
You prove to me you sell 10,000 stickers. I'll give away the Jetta.
Yeah, I'm gonna create an
All right,
Excel
bet.
spreadsheet.
All right, bet. You heard it here.
Imagine
10,000
tomorrow
stickers.
he's like,
GR.
Right here, 10,000 stickers sold. The jet is going to one of you guys.
Yo,
One of you lucky people will get the GLI.
the second I pay the whole off is when one of y'all get it.
Coolest car here. No, M4 CSL. Crazy. Let's go. We got the egg, another egg, another egg, another egg right here. That's another egg.
Bro, that's immediate. That's undercooked.
One egg, two egg, three egg, scrambled eggs,
We're actually not giving away my GLI. We're giving
and hard-boiled eggs over there.
Hey, we
What'd you
said
say?
Jetta.
So alright. So listen, by the way, you can win this beautiful jet. We don't know who owns it, but shit, I mean, it could be one of yours. We don't never know. You got this.
Show them the ITVs, baby. Show them them ITVs.
This poor car takes so much abuse from your ass.
Stefan.
Scrub squad.
man.